this is part 2 of the video tenses. As in this video, I would tell you about past indefinite tense. So, dear students, always remember that past is something which is dead and gone, and it would not come back ever. So, let's start it. When to use past indefinite tense? So we use past indefinite tense to talk about actions that happened at a specific time in the past. You state it when it happened using a time adverb like yesterday, last Monday, or last day. So example, last year I took my exam. Second case could be, it can be used to describe events that happened over a period of time in the past but not now. So example, I lived in Asia for 2 years. Another case could be, it is also used to talk about habitual or repeated actions that took place in the past. Example, when I was a child, we always went to the seaside on bank holidays. So, in an easy way, dear students, you just have to remember that past indefinite tense we use for old action or for yesterday's action. Now we will talk about sentence structure or how exactly we should use it. So, when we talk about main verb, we use second form of the verb in past indefinite tense, that is main verb. Okay, now helping verb. Helping verb is did. Now you can see on the slideshow that where I have written did, there in brackets you can find verb 1. So now the meaning of this rule is that whenever you will use did, did is helping verb of past indefinite tense. So whenever you will use did, you always use first form of the verb with did. So this is very important rule you have to remember. So let's read few more examples of past indefinite tense, which could be she danced, he jumped over the rock, and Raj ran. Now we will see the sentence structure or construction. So again we have the same kind of rules here for affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative negative styles. First we will talk about affirmative style. So here you have to follow the rule. First you have to use subject, after that second form of the verb and object. So again you have to remember that in affirmative style of past indefinite tense we do not use did. Example, we wrote stories. We is subject, wrote second form of the verb and stories object. Another example, I cooked food. Now we will talk about negative style. So dear student, construction of negative style or sentence structure of negative style would be subject, did, then not, then first form of the verb and object. So you can see here that here we are using first form of the verb because we have used here helping verb did. So example would be, we did not write stories, or in contracted form you can say we didn't write stories. Another example, I did not cook food, or you can say it this way also, I didn't cook food. So I hope you understood it. Now we will see the next style, that is interrogative style. And for this sentence structure is, first you will use did, then subject, then first form of the verb and then object. So example would be, did you recite stories, or did he buy food? Now we can see interrogative negative style also, and it could be, first of all you have to use did, then subject, then not, then first form of the verb and object. An example could be, did you not recite stories, or In another way, we can say it this way also. Didn't you recite stories? These would be same. We have one more example here. Did he not buy food? Or you can say it this way also. Didn't he buy food? So these were some examples of past indefinite tense. I hope you understood it. Thank you very much. Keep studying.